If you're anything like me, you might be on the lookout for things that make your house tidier so that cleaning is easier. And today, I've got a few ideas up my sleeve to help fix some of these problems for us. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Eve, and thank you for joining us. Today, we're going to start in the utility room because one of the biggest problems for cleaning the floors in here are our outdoor shoes for the back garden. So I have decided to put them onto the side of a cabinet. And to do this, I bought three things. I bought some clear sticky roll, some command strips, and some shoe hooks. My thinking is keeping the shoes off of the floor makes it much easier for me to come in here, mop and hoover. I don't want our muddy shoes getting onto the side of the cabinet, so I do have some clear vinyl sticky back that I'm going to put onto the cupboard first so that it keeps the cupboard nice but is also easily wipeable. So now that the clear film is on, I'm going to mark out whereabouts I would like these stuck. And I didn't realise when I bought them that they came with little sticky hooks, which is why I'd bought the command strips to use with them. Having our shoes stored on the side of the cabinet not only means it's much easier to clean the floor, it also means that the floor itself will stay that little bit more clean as well. It makes cleaning the house quicker and generally maintaining the house that little bit easier as well, so that it feels a whole lot less overwhelming. So now for the big moment. Is this, oh, you're not a very good angle, that is it? Is this gonna work? Oh my gosh, look at that! How much better is that? And now I've actually got some floor back. Oh. Just so you can see properly, look at that. Guys, I think this is going to help massively. You know when you're just running around and there's things everywhere? Well, I mean, yeah, they're still there, and don't get me wrong, it doesn't look pretty, but it serves a purpose. And that's exactly what I needed it to do. The next item that I have for organising the home to keep things slightly easier for cleaning is a new wash basket. Now, you might be wondering why, and this is a bit of a weird one, I understand. Quite often our wash basket not only overfills, but I have to spend time putting all of the different colours into different piles to put it into the machine. So what we now have is the Joseph Trio laundry basket. And this puts the onus back onto everybody in the household for being responsible for splitting out colours before going into the wash. Again, it just reduces that mental load that little bit more. Not gonna lie, I was hoping to be able to just scoot it all into the machine straight out of here. I don't know if it's just because the bag is too full or what, but yeah, not possible to do that just yet, but still making things much easier than what it was before. The first place that we're going to start in here is actually in the cabinet, which you might be wondering, how is that going to help me with cleaning? But that helps massively, because I've got my dog walking coat out here, but my normal day-to-day coat is currently in here. And where I may like both of them to be away, I can't, because there's all of this down here, which has also bled onto the side and everything. So what we have are these hooks, and I'm going to put the hooks onto the side here so that my scarves, hopefully some hats and things like that can hang up to keep the space in here much clearer so that it's easier to clean. These again are also just, they have a sticky back already on, so it makes it nice and easy. Well, saying that, it's meant to be easy. The idea of this is just so that it takes away so much of the bulk at the bottom of the cabinet and spreads it out more, and it should also, hopefully, stop me from coming in, throwing my scarf down, leaving it out. It just gets in the way, things look messy, cluttered, you know the drill. And there we have it. I've staggered them so that it hopefully spreads out some of the bulk, but we shall see with whether that method and line of thinking works or not. So the next thing that I would like to work on in here is to give us a couple more hooks just on here because of how things amass on the windowsill right here. I am, however, mindful that they might not always need to be used, so these are actually a hook that can be folded back up when we don't need to use it. So as you can see, they are ever so slightly too big for the back, so I'm just going to cut them down so that nothing is particularly visible once they're up. I don't know if anybody else likes to do this, but when you're putting command strips up, do you also like to attach it to the item that you're hanging first and then stick to the wall so you can see exactly where it's going? Or do you prefer to put the command strips onto the wall and then fit? Let me know your preferences below. Another great thing with these as well is that if it's ever so slightly wonky or you don't like where you end up placing it, you can always just take it off and then go again. How much better is this? We have nice clear windowsills ready to be cleaned easily and not send me into a mental breakdown as soon as I walk in. And we've got everything we need for easy access for Nova. When we're not using these, we can just fold them back up. One of the main themes to keep all of this much easier and stay on top of is pretty much making sure surfaces, floors and all of that are kept clear. I hadn't planned on doing this, which is why the washing machine is on and whatnot, but we do have some spare hooks. And another problem area in this house is this radiator right here, and quite a lot of the time this is where another place for Nova's towels, so I'm thinking that it would be quite nice to put some hooks here, well actually not plural, maybe just one, so that once the towel is dry we can take it off of the radiator, put it onto the hook, and it just keeps things keeps things a little bit more efficient as well at the same time. How much better is that? And then lastly, I forgot to add something to my basket, and that was a cleaning caddy, which I'm pretty sure most of you will have come across a cleaning caddy before. This one was slightly different, and I am going to buy it when I remember to actually add it to my basket. But I will show you that in another video. But that's going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. I hope this is something that you've enjoyed, and I hope there's a few things that you can also take and implement into your homes to help make your everyday lives easier too. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.